Hey everybody, welcome back. We're gonna fillet a coho today. We just freshly caught. Get your Rapala knife. Get your fish. We're gonna cut at an angle right beneath the base of the neck right here. Make the incision through. And when you cut, you want to turn the knife so it's like parallel to the backbone, all the way through. You want to hit the backbone, cut it, and then you can hear the ribs all the way through. And pull, and fillet out. And this is what you're gonna get. A nice full fillet. We're gonna put in the bag. And we're gonna do the same on the other side. We're gonna turn the body over. Do the incision right behind the cheekbone. And this we're gonna do the same. We're gonna turn it, we're gonna turn the blade, and we're just gonna scoop. That's how you get another fillet, beautiful fillet out of the coho salmon. Beautiful red meat. And what you're left with is just a putrid little carcass, no meat on it. And that's how you fillet a fish on a log. We'll see you next time on the Fillet a Fish on Log series.